Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the language settings on Google Sheets. So in here, as you guys can see, my language settings on Google Sheets is currently on English. So if you want to change it, you just need to open the Google Drive. So let's click on the Google Apps in here and go to the Drive. You just open your Google Drive and then tap on this gear icon to go to the settings. Click on settings, and in here you'll find, if you scroll down, there is this language option. So just tap on this change language settings. Now you can see that the current preferred language is English, so you can just choose which one that you want to use. If the language that you want to choose is not here, you can always tap on this add another language and choose one from here. I'm going to go with Indonesian, so you can just click on save. And after this, you can just click on this edit icon to change it into the one you want, like before. Okay, sorry. So you can just click on this arrow up, and you can see now the preferred language has been changed into Indonesia, and you can just now refresh the Google Sheets, and now all of the tools, all of the menu will change into the language that you chose. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.